Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have a new, let's see if it's new or not. All right, so we remain short and our levels, right? Remember, Trading 101, our levels of support and resistance, resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance, 60, remember 63, 66 is no man's land, right? Bears, we already capture 69 to 56, right? 56, 57. We already captured 12 points. On this choppy morning, we had a 13-point move our way, of which we managed to capture 12 points of it. Think about that. We remain bearish until I tell you otherwise. Price comes right back up to our resistance. Look at it right here, 63. I'm going to tell you what happened right here, 63. Smart money took the stops of the teenagers on YouTube that claim that there are big shot traders. We, on the other hand, we add to a winner because I haven't changed my mind. I still believe that there is more room to the downside. We take advantage of the pullback. We shore our levels of resistance, which are 63, 66, and 68 and 70. But we don't want it to go all the way over there, right? So it comes to 63, and it shakes out the weak traders, and we, on the other hand, celebrate on this move up from 56 all the way to 64, right? This 8-point move, we celebrate because it's going to our first level of resistance. 63 is going. Bang! Not only we do not get out, we add to a winner right there at our level 63. And then recoils back to 59. That's 4 points in our direction. And we continue managing, expecting, remember, expecting this trend right here to be the one that we're going to be following. Following still more to the downside. So okay, so this is the move that we had, right? This is pretty good for yeah. This is a lot of price action teaching right here. You've never seen a lot of traders never seen the way I manage in my positions, right? How do I do? All right, this is right. So we already nail this one right here, and we're gonna continue nailing it unless I change hats. Okay, this is what we did. We totally took advantage of this move, this 13-point move. We shorted here the mid range. Remember, took advantage of it. Price goes back up. This bounce right here from 56 to 64. Everybody wants to know, is this a bounce? Is this a rally? Or is this a temporary low? And this move up is actually going to continue going all the way up, right? That's what everybody wants to know. Since we are in the prediction addiction business, we stick with our future intention of the trend, right? And we, until I tell you otherwise, we still believe that the price is gonna continue going down eventually, not without massive continue chop, but so that we take advantage of these small rallies and pullbacks. All right. So our job next is, where is the price gonna go? If it comes right back down here, makes a double tap, and then is it gonna break it? Number one, and if it is, where is it going? Right. That's what we want to know next, so that we can log target 2, and remember, we added to a winner right here. We took advantage of the bounce all the way to 63, added to a winner. Certainly, we didn't let the market shake us out because remember, this move up, this bounce from 56 all the way to 64 is the smart money taking the stops of the week. Those that don't know the odds as to where the price is going to go next. And that's what's going on right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new support. Target 2. Okay, we have it. Okay, we have it, my friends. Alrighty, and boom, here it is. Okay, so we have a new support, new target. Okay. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're gonna go next. 51. All right, that's our next trip. Okay. All right, so we're going to remain. We're going to remain. Yeah, we're going to remain bearish. We're gonna take advantage of bounces, rallies to establish or to add to a winner in a short position, expecting the price to eventually, sometime this year, price go back to 56, break it, and continue to 51. 5-1. We all know the levels of resistance, and so far that's what we're saying. Okay. Time right now. Well, you can see right now it's 11 a.m. Right, 11 a.m. Right. So this is video number 2. Video number 1 already we play all of this, and this is video number 2. And the most we want to make sure that we all understand that the market is dynamic. It changes all the time. Our job is to change with it. What am I trying to say? Well, there is a possibility that we can change hats from being bearish anymore and change hats back to bull. You just hang in there and wait for me to tell you. Until I don't tell you, you continue with the plan. What's the plan? Boom! We already made 12 points here. We are expecting the price to eventually take this new low and go to 51. Time right now, it's 11. We all know that at 11:30 official chop begins. So if we are right, and the price is going to eventually take another leg to 51, we would like it to be before 11:30, because at 11:30 it gets really tough for the price to follow through, because that's when the official chop begins. All right. So if we've had all this chop all the way till 10:30, right, from all this full hour of chop, right, then imagine how it's gonna be at 11:30, right? All right, gentlemen. All right. So I guess this is good news for the bears. I have good news for the bears. This 70 is no longer 70. However, it became really strong. It's not minor resistance anymore. Now it's medium resistance. Okay. However, it's not 70. It's 70Y, which is, we're totally happy with it. All right. So what does that mean? Well, that means that now we have a wider channel. The high is 71. Okay. And the low is 51. So we are expecting another leg eventually. break of this low right here and continue to 51. So we are now in a 51, 61, 71. We are now in a 20-point range channel. All right, 71, my friends. It's not gonna be taken. Okay, it's not gonna be taken easy. So even if the smart money is really vicious against the bears today, and they spike it up and they bring it up all the way to take this 64, 66, 68, and they take it all the way to 70, 71. That's just a squeeze of the bears. Okay, they cannot take 71 easily. Okay, so that gives us a little bit of more confidence that we are on the right side, expecting the price to test the low right here. Remember, we want all of this to happen before 11:30. All right, so the micro channel is 66.56. Okay, 10 points. 66 is the micro channel. It's a channel within, right? It's really simple. Look at it right here. 66, 56. Okay, 10 points. That's the micro channel. Why is this important that we know the micro channel? Well, because we are sure we are expecting the price to break the low, continue to 51, unless I tell you otherwise. When I see that that the market decided to change direction, right? My job is to watch it, right? So that it doesn't get us by surprise. As long as we don't change our mind, that's what we are expecting. Okay, so if we are chopped around 66, 56, is to be expected. You know, oh my God, 10 points, Capi, that's too much, man. Sure, I don't want the price to take this pivot high right here, 63, 64, right? Because it's just too scary, because if it takes and it goes to 66, 78, 71 and the move, then I'm going to take a big loss, man. Of course, I know what you say. Expect it. So what do? Well, you never let a winner turn into a loser, right? You went short right here, 63. The price goes right here. You build. Remember, you have my permission to build back better, right? Why? Because I'm expecting a continuation to the downside. So it's okay to build back better, all right? And number one and number two, look at your P&L. On a day like today, we just made 12 points, right? We were patient. We were disciplined, right? We were focused, right? We were courageous, and we got rewarded with 12 points. Let's go to phase 7 right now. Remember that the aim of this room is to be profitable every single day, and for me to prove it to you every single day. Not once in a while. No. Every single day. Right? That's the only way that the trader guru can be accountable. Prove it to me every single day, right? That's our aim. Okay, it's to be green. So let's go to phase 7. You are nicely green. Keep it like that. What time it is right now? It's 11. What time it is right now? Here it is, 11:09. 20 more minutes and official job begins. Right? You want to go play golf? Go play golf. Get the hell all out, and tomorrow is another day. As simple as that. You want to continue trading? Let's do it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, sure. I mean, we're expecting more chop. It's been big time chop all this morning. So you're probably bored, right? Like I said, you're bored if you're trading one micro, but if you're trading 20 ES, you're not that bored, are you? I don't see any new change in the overall direction. This is just more chop, right? This is just more chop, right? 60, right here, this micro channel here, the one that I told you, 56, 56, 66, and what do you think? Smart money doesn't know that everybody has to stop right there at 64, 63, 62. Of course they do. That's exactly what they did right now. All right, so time right now 11:21. We've been we've been strong at keeping our short position. We knew that we were going to be chop liver here. It's 56, 66, right? Beginning here 64. We knew that. Okay, time right now, live real time. It's 11:21, so we have 9 more minutes. We would like. Hey, Capi, what do you mean you would like? Well, yeah, I would like if our assessment as to what's going to happen in the future, meaning what I've been telling you for the past hour, we want a break of the new low and a continuation to 51 to target 2. We want it to happen before 11:30. At 11:30, official job begins from 11:30 all the way to 3:30. That's why that's why we that's why we scalpers, well, if we wanted to trade, of course we could, but we prefer not to, right? We know that the odds of having an accurate um, result diminish between 11:30 and 3:30, right? The close. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of traders, professional, consistently profitable traders. They don't even trade the morning action at all. They just concentrate on the close only. Of course, we trade everything. We even trade shop, but I'm not in this room. I'm not gonna give you. I'm not gonna give you. The only thing that we do during job time is once we already in a profitable day, profitable position, we just continue managing that position. Let it ride, stop break even, let it ride, and trail. That's it. No new positions beginning 11:30. All right. Time right now 11:23. 7 more minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 64. Right. So we have a new channel. Okay, 64 and 56. Okay, and we know 66 is the real one. Okay, it's the high of the channel. Okay, of the micro channel. Boom. But we, of course, we're paying attention to this 64 right here, right? Of course we are. Okay. Okay, we still have our range of resistance 64, 68, right? 64, 68. So, okay, so now that we see this bounce all the way from 59 all the way to 64, 5 points bounce, we need to ask ourselves, is this bounce the beginning of a new uptrend, right? Or is this smart money actually squeezing the bears, taking the stops of the weak bears? What do you think? The Goldman Sachs doesn't know that everybody has to stop right here. We, on the other hand, because we are counting on the future, we're not gonna be take shaken out easily. And those of you who are all in all out, you already logged 12 points. This is the beginning of establishing a new position short and do it all over again. Just like we did here, when the price went all the way to 68, 69, we established a new position short. It's exactly what we're going to continue doing. The higher it goes, the better the risk reward ratio we have, as long as we are correct in our prediction, in our assessment that there's going to be another move down, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so price goes to our 64, it, it checks out a lot of amateurs. We, on the other hand, take advantage of the fact that the price just moved up. It just bounced, right? All the way from here, from 57, right? All the way to 64, giving us another entry short because remember where we're going, right? We all know where we're going, right? Okay, and I just told you the higher it goes, as long as it reaches our levels of resistance, then not only the smart money does not shake us out, it gives us a great opportunity to establish either a new position short or add to a winner so that we can have again a bigger position, right? To ride all the way to where we think the price is gonna go. Oh, what do you mean think? That's exactly what we do here. We think. That's exactly what we do. We think. Hey, listen, I think the price is just like we thought that the price was gonna go to 56 and it gave us 12 points. That's exactly the same thing that we're doing again. We think that the price is going to 50, it's going to continue going to 51. Therefore, we we manage our position accordingly. If we think that the price is going to go test the low, eventually break until 51, and then it bounces up to our level of resistance, we go short there, right? We buy some for self resistance, and then we're going to have another ride all the way from here, from 64 all the way to 51. That's another 13 points for target 2. All right, looking good. Not that we don't know that this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. Right? This is what a double bottom, triple bottom, quadruple bottom, quintuple bottom. Boom! What is that? All right, is that 54? I think it is, isn't it? All right, we won 3 more points to 51. Target 2. No, I'm telling you, it was a very tough day. So those of you who did exactly what I told you to do, kept with the program, had discipline, courage, focus, you were handsomely rewarded 12 points on the first leg. After a couple of scratches and after a couple of, we made 2 points here, we lost 1 point here, then we made 2 here, and then we finally position ourselves terrific here, made 12 points, and we are on our way to make another 12 points. Are we not? That's how the cookie crumbles. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. This 59. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we don't want the price to clean take this 59 right here. Okay. Okay, we don't want the price to take this 59 right here. This 59, we don't want it to. Okay, boom, bada boom, boom, bum, bing. Okay, that's exactly what we didn't want the price to take 59. What we wanted was a drop. We all saw it together. Right, that gives us a little bit more confidence that the price is eventually. Time right now, it's 11:34. It's already 4 minutes after 11:30, right? We're already sure we're managing, okay? So we're going to continue managing our position, expecting the price to test the low 54, break it, and give us 3 more points to 51. Now listen to this. We all know that the market is dynamic. It's changed all the time, right? So I'm gonna watch the action right here below 59 all the way to 51, and we're gonna make a determination as to whether 51 is a destination or should we leave it as a target. Well, let's see. All right, we're gonna give it a little bit of time. Let's see how the market behaves all the way from here to 51. If it's gonna go to 51, which we all know that even though we have a prediction addiction and we are all about the future, we all know that really nobody has a crystal ball. So I don't know if the price is gonna go to 51, but my system says that the odds are that there is enough strength for this move since this morning to take us now all the way to 51, right? It's just a matter of odd. I just call it future prediction addiction because you have to think. If you have a system that analyzes the entire market structure, the trends, the strengths of support and resistance, are we in a channel? Are we in a downtrend? If you have a system and you can read all of that, then you have to come up with a conclusion. Okay, well, what are the odds? Odds. That's what we play here every single day, right? Okay, terrific. Okay, so that's 53 quarter. And remember what I told you. This 59 is extremely important to us. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right? 52 half. Boom! Target 2, it was beautifully taken, right? So we're gonna write it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Okay, we're gonna make it right there. Yeah, right here. 50, 49.50 is target 2. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna leave it as target. Boom, price go ahead, takes 51 nicely. It gives us a buck and a half of extra right, and we are going to make this 49.51 our official target 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so target 2 officially hit, and we're going after target 3. Okay, let's see what target 3 is gonna be. Okay, target 3. Time right now, 11:40. As long as the price is going our way, we're only managing, right? We are only managing our current short position. Okay. All right. So let's see what target 3 is gonna be. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So let's see what target 3 is. All right. Today, Monday, April 17. Right. All live. Real time in front of the studio audience, live from Miami. It's CTC, Capital Trade Center. So let's see what target 3 is. I think I have it. Let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Testing the low here. Okay, we don't have target 3 yet. But okay, somewhere around here, let's see. Okay, so we had so our last play, we shorted the high right here. The 68, the 66, the 68, the 69, the top of this strip right here, and then we had target 1 was this one right here, right? 56. Remember, this was target 1 that we were patient. We totally waited for it, right? Then price goes 2 ticks. You know that it's okay if you if you get out 1 point above, 1 point below, right? So this is target one right here. Price goes beautifully, comes right back up. We build back better. We are still expecting the price to go to target 251. Boom, it just did. So we have target one hit, target two hit, and we are looking for target three. Okay, right here, we knew how important 59 was. Right? We knew how important 59 was. Okay, 59 was a very important level of resistance for us to have confidence that the price was going to actually break target one. Look at look how it danced around it, but we knew it was going to continue to 51. It just went to 49, right? That's pretty good, right? 49. All right, so this is target two right here, 51, 49, and we are on the lookout for target three. Again, we're gonna stop the this recording here. Everything is live, real time, so it's not that big for those traders that are always surfing and never taking action. This video is already 31 minutes. We're gonna stop it, and then once we get a moving our direction again, we might do another one to target three. All right. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. Okay. Live is not enough. It needs to be live, real time, and posted every single day.